Bonjour, my fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey to the heart of French cuisine as we explore a beloved classic pain perdu, also known as French toast. But we're not just going to whip up this delightful dish. We've got some intriguing, lesser-known facts about pain perdu that will surely surprise and delight your taste buds. What is pain perdu? Let's start with the basics. Pain perdu, which translates to lost bread in French, is a comforting breakfast dish made from slices of day-old bread soaked in a rich custard mixture, typically with eggs, milk, and a touch of vanilla. These slices are then fried to golden perfection, creating a crispy exterior with a soft, custardy interior. The historical roots. Pain perdu has a fascinating history. It dates back to ancient times when frugal French households needed a way to salvage stale bread. So, instead of discarding it, they cleverly transformed it into this delectable dish. It's a testament to the resourcefulness of French cuisine. Global variations. While pain perdu is undeniably French, variations of this dish can be found worldwide. In the United States, it's known as French toast. In Spain, it's tostada francesca, and in Germany, it's arme ritter. Each country has added its unique twist, making it a beloved breakfast treat across the globe. The sweet versus savory debate. Now, here's a delightful debate, sweet or savory. Pain perdu can be enjoyed in various ways. You can go sweet with toppings like maple syrup, powdered sugar, or fresh berries. On the savory side, it pairs wonderfully with ingredients like ham, cheese, or even bacon. The choice is yours. The connection to French toast sticks. Ever enjoyed those convenient French toast sticks as a kid? Well, here's a fun fact: they're essentially a modern twist on pain perdu. These portable, bite-sized delights have brought the charm of French toast to school cafeterias and breakfast tables worldwide. The role of cinnamon. Many pain perdu recipes feature a touch of cinnamon in the custard mixture. It's a spice that not only enhances the flavor but also adds warmth and depth to the dish. Cinnamon and French toast are like a match made in culinary heaven. The art of soaking bread. One of the secrets to perfect pain perdu is the art of soaking the bread. You want the bread to absorb just enough of the custard mixture without becoming overly soggy. Achieving the right balance is the key to a crispy yet custardy texture that melts in your mouth. The French toast renaissance. In recent years, French toast has experienced a renaissance in the culinary world. Chefs and food enthusiasts have elevated this classic dish to new heights by experimenting with exotic toppings like balsamic reduction, mascarpone cheese, and even truffle-infused syrup. It's proof that pain perdu is not just for breakfast anymore. The perfect bread choice. Choosing the right bread for pain perdu is essential. While day-old bread is traditional, you can get creative with your choice. Brioche and challah are popular options, known for their rich, buttery textures that make for an indulgent treat. The bread you choose can greatly influence the final result. The French toast legends. Believe it or not, French toast has its fair share of celebrity admirers. Icons like Elvis Presley and Marilyn Monroe were known to enjoy this classic dish. It's a reminder that even the biggest stars appreciate the simple pleasures of comfort food. Pain perdu in literature. Pain perdu has also found its way into literature. It's been mentioned in various classic novels, adding a touch of nostalgia and culture to the stories. It's amazing how a simple dish can become a literary symbol of comfort and home. The versatility of toppings. One of the joys of pain perdu is its versatility when it comes to toppings. From fresh fruits and whipped cream to Nutella and peanut butter, the possibilities are endless. You can customize your pain perdu to suit your mood and cravings. French toast for any occasion. French toast, or pain perdu, isn't just for breakfast. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. It's equally delicious for brunch, lunch, or even a cozy dinner. In fact, it's a popular choice for weekend brunch gatherings with friends and family, making it a delightful addition to any occasion. The role of syrup. One cannot discuss pain perdu without mentioning the importance of syrup. Maple syrup is a classic choice, but there's a world of syrups out there to explore. From fruit-infused syrups to decadent caramel drizzles, the right syrup can elevate your French toast experience to new heights. The art of caramelization. Creating that perfect caramelized crust on your pain perdu is an art. It involves a careful balance of heat, butter, and a touch of sugar. The result is a golden brown, crispy exterior that provides a satisfying contrast to the custardy interior. The healthier variations. For those looking for a healthier twist, pain perdu can be modified without sacrificing flavor. Opt for whole wheat or multigrain bread, use low-fat milk, and reduce sugar in the custard mixture. It's a guilt-free way to enjoy this classic French treat. A plate of warm, syrup-drenched French toast can make any scene feel homely and inviting. The art of garnishing. Garnishing your pain perdu can add an extra layer of elegance. Whether it's a dusting of powdered sugar, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, or an artistic arrangement of fruits, presentation can turn your dish into a work of culinary art. And there you have it, a deeper dive into the enchanting world of pain perdu, or French toast. It's a dish that transcends generations, with timeless appeal and endless possibilities. The next time you savor this breakfast classic, remember the art of turning lost bread into a culinary masterpiece. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more delectable adventures. Bon appétit!